Hello, my name is Paweł Kubik, and I am pleased to be the medical ambassador of the Nuvia brand. The theme of today's Nuvia Pills of Science is Sectum. When it seems that nothing new can be implemented in the field of radiofrequency techniques, the Nuvia comes on the scene. Sectum combines two highly advanced devices: the radiofrequency for a wide spectrum of aesthetic indications, as well as the excellent surgical tool. How does the radiofrequency work? Radiofrequency energy is transferred using one monopolar or more than one bipolar electrodes. And along the way, it produces a biological effect in the tissue in the form of heating. Radiofrequency energy is emitted from the active electrode and travels the path of least resistance of impedance in the skin or body, returning back to the device through the neutral electrode. For aesthetic applications, the Sectum is equipped with two bipolar handpieces. Depending on the handpiece used, the depth of energy penetration changes. If we want to create an effect in the skin by using the bipolar emission mode, we can cause the effect of increasing skin tension by inducing a local, long-lasting thermal effect. It allows the initiation of the collagen remodeling process, which involves the activation of fibrocytes to the form of fibroblasts, and then the cells undertake a two-pronged process: removing old, stiff collagen fibers. Fibroblasts secrete collagenase with the stimulation of production the new, better quality collagen fibers. But that's not all. Fibroblasts also produce other components of the extracellular matrix, responsible, for example, for skin hydration. In order to obtain clinical effects in the field of body modeling, we rely on simultaneous deposition of energy in the skin and subcutaneous tissue. This allows, apart from after-mentioned results related to increasing the tension and revitalization of the skin, at the same time to reduce the volume of subcutaneous fat by directing the metabolism of adipocytes in favor of lipolysis. Thanks to this two-way action, at the same time, in the field of skin and subcutaneous tissue, we can effectively model the figure of our patients while supporting the weight reduction. While the development of the reduction of subcutaneous fat tissue is linear with the progress of the therapy, in terms of the skin, we notice two-stage effects: an immediately increase on tension due to the thermal effect and shrinking of collagen fibers, and then revitalizing effects caused by the activation of fibroblasts that build up over several months after the end of the treatment. What are the key features of Sectum that makes it a new quality in the field of devices based on the radiofrequency? This is the Sectum Smart concept. There are many of them. From my point of view, the most important of them are a highly advanced energy control system, which basically eliminates the risk of adverse effects, the control of the procedure implementation. Sectum controls the course of the treatment in a fully automated way, not allowing to deliver too low dose of energy. Thanks to this system, the temperature sensors are controlling the process and separating the warming up phase from the actual treatment phase. Also improving the energy transmission thanks to use of the dedicated treatment gel. And for me, as for the aesthetic medicine doctor, the perfect adjustment of handpieces separately to the needs of the face, neck, and body modeling is very important. And for me, as the clinic owner, the versatility of the device. We use Sectum not only for aesthetic procedures, but also in surgery as highly advanced electrocoagulation and in gynecology. Since my main field of activity is aesthetic medicine, I would like to introduce you to the functionality of Sectum handpieces. They both function as bipolar, but differ in shape, number, and arrangement of the electrodes. Both have the same advanced temperature control system, ensuring that the treatments performed with the use of the automated mode are always at highest possible results while maintaining the full safety profile. The handpiece used for the body contouring is designed to simultaneously deliver radio frequency wave energy in order to cause the thermal effect to both the skin layers and the subcutaneous fat tissue. This not only increases the skin tension and regeneration, but also reduces the volume of unwanted adipose tissue, reducing cellulite, lymphatic drainage, and improves blood circulation and tissue oxygenation. A specially developed glycerin gel is dedicated to the use of this handpiece, which modifies energy penetration into the tissue and prevents burns of the superficial layer. In turn, the handpiece intended for use in the area of the face and neck was constructed in such a way to provide the energy only to skin layers without damaging the subcutaneous fat tissue, which would be very undesirable in this area. Therefore, we use it to increase skin tension, reduce the fine wrinkles, contour the jawline, and revitalize the skin. A special gel is also dedicated to this handpiece, increasing the effectiveness and safety of the procedure. What does the procedure look like? Let's have a short video. The treatment is painless and requires no preparation or recovery. In terms of facial skin, the treatment time ranges from 25 to 40 minutes, depending on the area of the treated skin. In the area of the lower face, this is 20 to 30 minutes. In turn, at the top part of the face, it takes 5 to 10 minutes. In case of body contouring, abdominal procedure will take 20 to 30 minutes. The buttock treatment also takes 20-30 minutes. Of course, we can also treat other areas, such as thigh and arms. For good clinical results, depending on the severity of the problem, usually we do 3 to 6 treatment sessions. at intervals from 4 to 10 days. Remember, however, that apart of immediate effect, there is also a long-time revitalization of the tissue, which further enhances the treatment effects. Some samples of Sectum applications. Modeling the cheeks and jawline. Jawline again, 3 weeks after a single treatment. Cheeks, jawline and chin, 2 weeks after single treatment. Abdomen, 1 week after single treatment. The same patient from the profile. Abdomen again, 4.5 centimeter loss after 4 treatment sessions. And the same patient from the profile. Another abdomen treatment, another 4 treatments, loss of 6.5 centimeters. So, what are our conclusions? Sectum is a highly advanced universal device for use in aesthetic medicine, surgery, and gynecology. In terms of aesthetics, its main applications are reducing the wrinkles, improvement of skin tension and revitalization, improvement of face shape, reduction of cellulite, body contouring, improvement of blood supply, and oxygenation of the tissue. Compared to the old generation of radiofrequency emitting devices used so far, it is characterized by a phenomenal automated mode of operation, allowing for reproducible therapy result by maintaining the appropriate time and temperature during the procedure. This is possible thanks to the integration of software and ergonomic handpieces designed for a variety of applications. Importantly, the economy of the treatment is very good, thanks to the fact that we do not use wearing parts in aesthetic procedures. From the perspective of our patients, the procedure is painless, does not require reconvalescence, and brings quick results tailored to the patient needs. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact your Nuvia representative. We are always very happy to help you. Thank you very much for your attention.